I'm Bill Benedict. Martha and I would love to invite you to Crow Calls. Crow Calls is a place to live in the present.
Crow Calls is a center for understanding. It's a place for guidance. It's availability to resources to assist anyone with their process of healing and coming to an understanding of their spiritual path. But it's not only that. It's also a place to come and settle your mind, relax, and find your own answers. It's a place to celebrate soul. It's a place to find answers and to heal loss, no matter what type of loss. Loss of loved one, relationship, and to come in touch with the divine.
Relax in nature's presentation, such as the forest bathing trail.
Or take a walk on the Chickadee labyrinth in a meditative state.
Or participate in body, breath, and mind practices.
Join us on the Windwalker medicine wheel in search of your answers. And also join us for a Mari reading. A Mari reading which helps you go directly to your psyche. Crow Calls came about as a result of the loss of our son and not really knowing where to turn, who to talk to, where to get answers, and just truly not knowing how to respond and heal a wounded heart from the loss of self.
It caused me to actually struggle with a long length of time, about 10 years. And it was only until my daughter and Martha convinced me to go to Lilydale and participate in some activities up there that I finally get on the right path to be able to effectively deal with my loss.
When we lost Seth, I chose to hide underneath my comforter, but knowing at the age I was, I would not be able to stay there long. So I chose to work my way through the struggle, go back to work, continue working with the great kids in the school district to assist them to learn how to deal with their own struggles as well. So by attending Lilydale and going for spiritual insight and then becoming part of the Fellowships of the Spirit Divinity School, we were able to find some resolution to some of the pain and the healing that we desperately needed. As a result, we wanted to gift back to those who also go through struggles and need to come find resolution. So we developed Crow Calls, Chickadee Circle.
The mission of Crow Call is to assist people on their spiritual path.
And to help them use the resources that we have to offer here. So we welcome you at any time to come to Crow Calls, Chickadee Circle.
We thank you for the opportunity to have you come to Crow Calls.
Come join us here at Crow Calls, Chickadee Circle.